Preposition quiz. Question number 1. Come and sit blank him. Come and sit beside him. Question 2. I hid myself blank a column. I hid myself behind a column. Question number 3. They went blank. I had come. They went after I had come. Question number 4. He will do it blank 7 p.m. He will do it by 7 p.m. Question number 5. We'll wait till he comes. Question number 6. It's been raining blank Sunday. It's been raining since Sunday. Question number 7. He has been sleeping blank 5 hours. He has been sleeping for 5 hours. Question number 8. He is sitting blank a chair. He is sitting on a chair. Question number 9. The dog sprang upon the cat. Question number 10. What are you looking at? Question number 11. He is angry with me. Question number 12. He is angry with me. Question number 13. My father was angry at my mistake. Question number 14. She is cutting apples with a knife. Question number 15. I came blank a taxi. I came by a taxi. Question number 16. She died of cancer. Question number 17. Question number 17. We get food blank trees. We get food from trees. Question number 18. I am from England. Question number 19. This bag belongs to her. Question number 20. I prefer milk to curd.